Okay, hour number 6. We're going to take the top off, wipe the condensate out. I did move it to number 2 there. See what we have. Ooh, these are drying out nice. That one is done. I have a bowl that I'll be throwing this stuff in. That one's done. Now this of course was cut on a wedge, but this is the thinner stuff. That one's done. Now you may ask, how do you know when it's done? Let me grab a pair of scissors and I'll show you. When you cut it, like this, let me show you. It's still a little bit moist in the middle, but it is definitely dry outside. And that is done. That is perfectly done. Now you'll know when you overcook it because you'll get some, I don't know if you can see this, but it gets shiny. And that's the juice that's actually cooking out of it. This does get warm. It's warm enough to cook it. This one is done here and done here. What I've done too in the past is I've cut like this and like this, and I've thrown bits like that didn't get done in there so they get cooked all the way. Because of course you don't want to eat jerky that's not cooked all the way. So let's flip these. Pull the ones out that are done. This one's not quite done. This one's done. This one's done perfectly. You see the shiny stuff? That means it's almost getting overdone. So we want to pull that one out. This one's definitely done. See that? See that shiny? That means it's getting overdone. But if you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll see you next time on Half Wrap Around the House.